Welcome back, guys. So I'm being pretty lazy today. Haven't driven the car in the rain since I washed it last, so all I'm just going to wash is the just the front end. Just got full of bugs and stuff. The rest of the car maybe has a slight layer of dust, but I could probably wipe that down with some waterless wash. But otherwise it'll be fine by the time I get to the car show tomorrow. The dust will be back on. I just want to get rid of the bugs and crap from the front end and get ready. Okay, while I'm here, I might as well do the old wheels. A little bit of brake dust on the front one, so give them a scrub. And while we're at it, might as well do a quick spray of the hybrid ceramic wax. Just a light spray, that'll do. Just sort of rub it in with a chamois, just to spread it out evenly. And then any excess you can wipe off with a microfiber just to try it 100%. Okay. It kind of snowballed a little bit. What started out as just a front end wash turned into a basically full detail. I should have just washed the whole car. I'm doing the rest of the car just dry washing it with a bit of a waterless wash and just gently wiping off. It's only a light layer of dust, so it's not going to scratch anything, but probably could have just done a full wash. But I don't like getting the whole car wet if I don't have to. Rust issues with these E-Series. And while I'm at it, I started doing the engine bay as well. So yeah, it's snowballed, but that's what happens. I'm sure you guys know the feeling. Look at that sexy red top. Yeah. Beautiful. Look at it. Just look at it. Now, once you finish cleaning, if you want your paint to really pop, really shine, use this stuff, Wowo's Showstopper. All you got to do is just spray a little bit on, not much. Get a clean or brand new microfiber towel and literally just give it a wipe it all in a bit, and then flip the towel over and just buff it. And seriously, this stuff, it's just pure shine in the bottle, really. It's not going to offer any protection or anything, so you still put your wax or your ceramic coating or whatever underneath, and then just put that on top. That doesn't last that long, I don't think. You're probably best if you're going to a car show, do it when you're there, get there, or just before you leave, and the stuff absolutely pops. You're out in the sun. It's just pure shine in the bottle, way better than wax. So try that stuff, Wowo Showstopper, give it a go. Now, I've actually been asked a few times how my rear window quarter is rubber so in such good condition. Well, it wasn't always. I've actually painted that, and I've actually on this side I've painted all the rubbers. For these parts, I just did a quick sand. This is actually the second time I painted it. I painted it once and didn't do the rest. I just did this, and then I didn't do it a good enough job. I didn't sand it back and get all the pitted stuff out. So I did it again, and then the second time I did all of it. But this one's lasted quite well. I've almost got all the pitted. I was a bit lazy. I didn't quite get it here, but it's in really good condition. That was done a few years ago. So I'll show you the paint I used in a minute. But this side I've done once, but yeah, I wasn't happy. I didn't get all the pitting out, so I've actually started just sanding it back again. It just takes forever. I'm thinking about using a flexible sort of rubber or plastic primer filler in this one. I'll see how I go with the sanding, but if I can't, I do have some plastic primer filler that can fill it all up and then sand it back, and it'll be a lot easier because it takes quite a bit of work to get it all, because they're quite deep, the pitting. So so this is the stuff to use: VHT, hood, bumper, and trim paint. So it's like a urethane paint. It's flexible, so it's designed for the plastic and rubbers. So you can do all your window surrounds. I've definitely got to do the back one, but that's going to be so hard with this tiny bit here. Trying to get that, if you can see it. It's just, I'm not sure if you've got a car like this, yours will be the same. And you can't get these rear windows because they're encapsulated, because they have to get the whole rear window. So the only thing you do is go to the wreckers and try and find a better one, but you're not going to find a better one. I'm probably not going to find a better one. Mine's not too bad, but so I've done this whole side, and including this one here. So when I get around to finishing the other side, I'll do the window top on that side. At some stage I'll do the rear window. I should just do it all at once, shouldn't I? Even though I just come out here 10 minutes every night, I feel like I should just rub it back for 5 or 10 minutes, because you just get blisters on your thumb. So you can't do hours at it anyway, because you're really getting in there. So if I just did 5-10 minutes every night for a few weeks, I'd probably get there. So maybe that's what I'll do. Just gotta be consistent. So I'll do all that. These aren't too bad, so these just need a bit of a scuff up. Oh, these are a little bit pitted, but just with a bit of fine sandpaper, and I'll do this side as well. So yeah, that's what you got to do. It just takes a bit of hard work, but you can do it. Taping it off takes one side took me like over an hour on the other side. So this is stuff to use though. People ask me about it. You can't get new. You might be very lucky. A few years ago I saw a second hand one of these before, and but that got snapped up. So you may as well just do this, and all it takes is work. Sand it back, and then get some wax and grease remover, or some isopropyl alcohol, IPA wipe down, and just really get in there. Just keep wiping. You get black stuff off there. Just keep wiping until it's like clean. Just go over the whole thing like 10 times. Tape it all off perfectly. It takes a bit to do this, but then tape it all off. Make sure the wider areas all masked off, and either paper or plastic sheets, and then do the whole thing, and your car looks so much better. That's those little things that make your car look better. I see guys that have full resprays, pay 10 grand, yet they haven't done these, and I just think, it's just a waste. Like, my car with original paint, if I polish it up and then if I paint them, it'll look better than their brand new $10,000-$15,000 respray. So it's one good tip: get it done, and your car will look better than 99% of E-Series out there. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you're keen to see a video. I'll get motivated and do it. I'll take you through the sanding process, and I'll do it. I'll show you before and after, and do a cool video on it, and show you the difference it makes. But anyway, for now, car's all clean, ready for the car show tomorrow, New Year's Eve afternoon. So probably Monday or Tuesday I'll hopefully get a video out of that of the Geelong Street cars car show. All right, thanks for watching another one, guys. See you in the next one. Cheers.